Why are you biting me? I know you're hungry. You're always hungry. Little gray ears. Come here. Come down. Who's that go? See this one. This is Clarkson. As in Jeremy Clarkson, because he's rambunctious, loud, and annoying. Here's Orange. He's out. There's the big boy right there. And there's the runt, who is eating and pooping the best. Ooh. There we go. Sorry. He's a little bloated. I think he's got an infection. And this is what he does. Makes them poop. The dark gray one. And the other one wakes all the other ones up. Okay. Say bye now. Oh wait, that's cute. Smolder. Okay, bye-bye.